Hello guys, welcome back. So today we had a minor loss around the minus 1.5% on our account. So I'll break through the trades that I took. We started up with $4,982, and right now we are on the $4,916, I think, around that. So today was a pretty low day, but I'll show you the trades that I took and expose the breakthrough, my trade and the breakthrough it. So this is one of the trades I took. I took the New Zealand Japanese yen. So I saw this buy side liquidity here being taken, and I was expecting the price to go to the lower prices because the external range liquidity was already taken. So I was expecting to go to internal range, but as you can see, price did not come as I expected. But I thought, okay, it was going. I was having a bearish idea, so I went to the 1 hour time frame. You can see some annotations I have here. So as you can see, I started here around 7 p.m. as you can see here. So I saw this. You can forget this from here. Okay, I saw this. I saw some turtle soup here, a stop hand, and a change in the market. So my idea was the market is going bearish according to my daily bias. Okay, very nice. And I saw this. I saw mitigation block here being respect then breaked. Okay, and I saw a minor fair value gap here being fulfilled and going to lower prices. And and I was okay. So I was expecting the price to go to this fair value gap coincidentally with the mitigation block. So the price should go something like this and this. I was expecting something like this because as you can see too on the deviations, you can see I was expecting something around here because of the between these two, because I was expecting to go here, then retrace a bit above to go to the internal range liquidity. Okay, so I was expecting the price to go up, and as you can see, it went here, touched the fair value gap and the mitigation block too. So okay, I was expecting something to be happening, a trade. So I went to the 5 minutes, as you can see here. I took this trade here because I saw this change here, then I saw a small fair value gap here, and I was expecting price to, so sorry, my trade was here, I think, between these two, I think it was here. And I was putting my stop loss on this high, so the price would go lower. And as you can see, price did not go lower, just go higher. I was expecting price to be bearish, really. I still believe price is bearish because if you see on the 1 hour, the mitigation block was not respected. The breaker here was not respected, but you can see that we have still this fair value gap here still being respected, and I still expect tomorrow to have lower prices. And so I'll look to this pair to see if I can go to get lower prices on this, because I'm still bearish on this pair. So but that was my trade for the day. It was minus 1 hour here, and I took another trade that 0.5% I risked on the British US dollar, because I was seeing DXY here, as you can see, to be bullish because I saw this here, this point here, this touch, and I thought, okay, we have bullish momentum now. We turn from internal range to external, pretty easy. I was expecting that, and I saw, as you can see, it was this on the 1 hour. I saw this. It was around here. I was expecting this to be taken. As you can see, it was all taken as I expected. This relative equal highs around here was taken. So pretty normal for what I was expecting. And I still believe that tomorrow with CPI we will take these highs here, these relative equal highs on the 1 hour. I'm still expecting very much this highs to be taken tomorrow on the 13. I will be looking for price to go lower on pairs like euro dollar and something like that. I will go something like that for tomorrow, but I'll talk about today now. As you can see, price did go to as I expected, but I went to the pound US dollar, and I will show you my thought process. So I was, like I said, bullish on DXY. Then I saw this relative equal size be taken here on a bearish break on a bearish order block. So I was expecting this to go to the lower price. I was expecting these equal lows. I expect these equals to be taken around this week. I expect something like this. So I was expecting this movement. And if I go here, as you can see, I saw this being taken, this highs here that was rising liquidity was perfectly taken. So and I saw this shift on the 1 hour. So I was expecting, okay, price maybe go to this here, to this liquidity, because I was expecting lower price because of this liquidity being taken and the DXY being bullish. So, and I went for looking for an entry. So I see around here that we had a breakaway gap. We're leaving this fair value gap behind, and we have this breakaway gap here. So I went to the 5 minute. I will push to the replay button so you can see the same things I did. As you can see, I waited for it to touch the. Okay, as you can see, it touched the gap here, and I saw this liquid being taken here, and I was expecting, okay, this variable gap here, some too big to go to providers with lower price. I was expecting something like this, and I was expecting this to be respected above all. And I placed my trade. As you can see, the trade did not occur with my thoughts. Still, we had DXY pretty bullish, but the pound dollar was not that bearish to me. It wasn't that bearish. I thought it was still bearish, but that was not the case. But I still think that tomorrow, as you can see, we still respected this here, and I expect lower prices. But I'm not looking to pound for tomorrow. I don't know yet. I will see tomorrow, see how the price reacts. Maybe looking for euro dollar, something like that, because it was perfectly respected. I was looking here too, but then I forgot to watch because we had here a beautiful trade. But I'll show you just quickly. You had a beautiful trade here on the risk distribution rebalance on this green block, and as you can see, if you took this, something like this, you see here the change in state of market delivery here, and you'll being perfectly respected. So I'll put something like this. If I enter the trade something like this and expected a 2R, for this liquidity resting here, something like that was a pretty good trade. But for my mistake, I didn't took this trade here because I thought this was still this movement will not. I thought this move will not happen, but it happened. I took the wrong pair. I did on the GU, but no problem. We learned from this, and I will. If I'm correct, I was checking the Euro GPG, and I saw some bearish momentum after. So maybe if I did seen more correctly, I think I would not take the GU maybe, but still I think it was a pretty good trade because DXY was bullish and I was seeking lower prices on both of my trades, but did not happen. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. See you guys next time.